Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy chicken wings on the grill. It's a pretty simple recipe. I have my chicken wings here and I'm just adding about a tablespoon of avocado oil. You can use any neutral oil that you like. I have some salt and pepper and then I'm just seasoning the wings. I will be tossing these wings in a sauce, so if you want to do a different type of seasoning or dry rub, you would do it at this step right now, but just a little bit of salt and pepper is perfect. The type of grill that we're using is a ceramic grill. The important part, regardless of the grill that you're using, you want to make sure you cook the wings over indirect heat. So here on the grill, we have a ceramic stone, which is a heat deflector. So that way the chicken wings are not cooking over an open flame. So even if you have a gas grill, you want to make sure you're only lighting one side and then cooking the wings on the indirect heat side. So go ahead and layer all of your wings on the grill. You want to make sure the temperature gets up to 350 degrees. So right now this is a little bit low. We're just going to bring up the heat and cook them for 30 minutes. Don't touch them. And then after the 30 minutes, we are going to flip them over. So the entire process takes about an hour. You can see here the ones on the outside got more cooked than the ones on the inside. So we're just going to rotate them around, and that way the ones on the inside can move to the outside. But just make sure you get everything rearranged and then close the grill and cook it again for about, check it after 20 minutes, but total it should take about an hour for all the wings to cook. Benefit of cooking the wings slowly is that the fat will render and drip down and you get a nice juicy chicken wing. So this is after about another 20-25 minutes. The wings are done. We are just taking them off the grill and the color is absolutely perfect. They're nice, golden, crispy, yet still juicy on the inside. So here's another look at the beautiful wings, and you can hear the crispiness. Love that sound. Some people hate it. So you can serve the wings with a dipping sauce. I'm actually going to show you how I make one of my favorite sauces to toss them in, and it is a sweet buffalo sauce. So I'm just melting about a tablespoon of butter here, and then I have just some your favorite buffalo sauce, whatever you like the best. Go ahead and add that in. You want to lower the heat a little bit, and then once that's mixed in, add a little bit of honey for some sweetness. Give that a good mix, turn off the heat. Once everything is incorporated, it is ready to toss into your wings. So you can achieve this same style of crispy wing in an oven as well. Just go ahead and bake them at 350 degrees, but place them on a baking sheet with a rack on top. And same thing, you want to go ahead and rotate them halfway. But I just love the low and slow method. You just get a nice, crispy, succulent wing. And the best part, they don't taste like they're burned. All right, so first I'm going to sample the naked wing. Even with just the salt and pepper, these are delicious on their own. Nice crispy skin. And now the ones with buffalo honey buffalo sauce. My favorite sauce. Just a little bit of spice, sweetness, and they are delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try for crispy grilled wings and then toss them in this yummy hot and sweet buffalo sauce. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll see you next time. Bye.